So we are at Fort Lauderdale Airport with little man. We're going to Connecticut, where my family lives, and then we're gonna drive. Well, we're gonna leave baby boy with my mom, and he gets to sleep with her, and I'm gonna miss him. But then me and Whitney are gonna go to Manhattan, and we're gonna go check out Gary Vee's office. I'm really excited to tour. So it's a fun weekend. It's Whitney's birthday today. Woo! And that's it.
Hey little man, you okay? You doing okay in there? We've got Breton's.
Breton! Breton, you have your own ticket, buddy. He doesn't even know what's going on. Don't mind my nails, but I need to do it. Our bags are getting checked. Well, his bag is getting checked, of course.
You having fun? You having fun?
He's like, what is that?
Yeah.
Oh, your bottles, buddy.
Thank you. Yep.
I do not like when they touch all the baby stuff. It pisses me off.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
He's not happy.
Not happy now.
It's probably hot in here too.
Yeah. You ready to go? I got it. Is like
super far away.
1 mile away. The last time I was here, they moved us to G from F, and I'd never been down here before, and it takes quite a lot. What time is it? You know? That's all right. Don't worry about it.
Dropping all like stuff is all over the place. I'm surprised they let me. I wasn't sure if they'd let me walk through that machine with the baby.
Yeah.
With him like in it.
In the carrier.
Yeah.
All right, let's run. We gotta run. Well, we made it. G2.
It's so hot right now.
Take it easy in the tropics. Be nice and golf for tennis. There's lots of fun in the sun in Howard County. We hope you'll find time
So you have to
visit
learn
the
to do
wonders
things
of
with
Florida
one
Everglades,
hand.
Performing Arts Center, New Zealand, and all the
Like I'm
great
trying to do
places
right
to
now.
shop and eat. Enjoy your stay and come back soon.
I don't know what they just said. They just called something.
Hopefully this little guy will drink this the plane.
We're getting ready to board the flight.
It's so hard, it's so hard.
I'm a dad, so I figured I could do this, man.
There's so many though.
I know. I just don't want it to open and like break, you know?
Yeah.
Right here.
Here?
Yep, 4, B and C. There's plenty of room up top here. Are you ready to go?
I prefer.
You ready?
Yeah.
Ready to take off?
And
I like it.
Got it all packed in.
I know.
Ready to go. You ready to take off?
Why? You're looking for an X.
Look, I fell asleep. We made it.
Yay! Brian did so
everybody was saying how great he was.
Yeah.
First plane trip?
It was what?
Second plane trip.
His second
Yep.
one. Yeah.
He didn't make a sound.
He was playing, he read his books and played with his toys. Yes. Daddy, I know you want to get
He
out
was
of
flirting with all the girls.
Yeah, he was. Oh, Sagittarius. On this shuttle to get our rental car. We're in Hartford, Connecticut. We're going to be driving to the middle of nowhere, Ashford, Connecticut. And it's where my sister and my parents are, so we're going to spend some time there. And then we're driving to New York. So that's going to be about almost 3 hour drive. It's already after 5. So we're probably going to get there pretty late. What? So we're in the rental car now. It's actually a nice car. What is it? Arcadia?
It's Arcadia. It's got 100 miles on it.
100 miles on it. Well, it's nice. It's a nice car. Anyway, we are here in Hartford and we're on our way to Ashford. Where all the dairy bars are that I don't go to, but my sister and mom are obsessed with. I can't hear still. This is so annoying. Like, maybe because I'm not traveling as much as I used to travel, like literally every friggin' weekend. What?
Something was up with the flight today.
I don't know, but the last few times I've traveled, my ears freaking sucks, and I can't hear for like 2 days, and that's not like normal for me. But that was really weird. On the flight, there was like some medical emergency, and then it was like in the movies, like then they acted like nothing happened. It was, I don't know, I can't.
Medical G5.
Whatever that means. But then it was like, no, nothing. Oh, Dunkin' Donuts.
You want to go there?
Yes, I need coffee, you guys. I haven't had coffee all day. Well,
Signing out.
don't mind this, because literally, like, I don't even have time to get ready anymore. So,
Is that some type of dogwood, or is that maybe a cherry tree? I think it's a dogwood. They're beautiful. I love those. That is the Virginia state tree.
the dog tree?
The dogwood.
Oh.
Dog tree.
Dogwood. I like those, and those other ones.
Bradford pears.
Bradford pears.
Yep.
Yay! Look, they have one too.
Yeah.
This is the tree, you guys. Look how pretty it is. We're here. And they're at the window. But hi. Hi, baby. Hola. Oh, you don't recognize me? Give me a hug. Hi, sweetie pie. How are you, Noah? Aw. Look at this cute little man. You got a haircut? Oh, you look so cute. Hi, Zoe. Hi.
Welcome, chicken.
Oh, it's a chicken. Hi. She's running away from the camera. Hey, Noah. Have fun. Aww. I know. You like that, Noah?
His head?
What are you doing, Bubba?
Yeah, I think he's running a little fever.
Zoe Bell.
Oh my gosh, it is like a Bell, like Zoe's last middle name.
Sneezing last night again?
Okay. And we're getting ready to drive now.
Noah, mírame. Dile bye a tío y a tía. O see you soon.
Bye, Noah.
Bye.
Tú le dices see you soon.
Bye.
Que no quiere que se vaya.
Hmm?
¿Qué qué? Don't go.
What are you doing?
Can you see me?
Barely.
What if you saw this in the middle of the road? You're like,
I would go fast.
what?
Go fast.
Go? You would go fast?
Uh-huh.
What were you doing? Were you walking? Anyway, you guys, we're leaving. Dude, you can't, like, for real, you can't see, and this is literally, like, what it looks like on the street. There's no street lights. There's nothing. Let's go. We're going to Jersey.
In half a mile, arrive at Courtyard by Marriott.
Someone did not make it. You made it. I was recording you for quite some time before you responded.
But I spoke, though.
You did. You spoke.
So you didn't get me.
I got you.
So we just got to Jersey, and I'm falling asleep.
It's 12:30.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired. We're gonna stay here tonight and then wake up early, and we're gonna leave the rental here and take an Uber to the city, and probably go eat. And so tomorrow we're going to Gary V's office. I'm really excited. We're both really excited. And we're gonna tour it. I don't know if he's gonna be there or not, but we were invited to go check it out, and so we're gonna go do that. And I don't know if I'll be able to film in there or not, but we're gonna try so you guys can see too. But that's where we're going, and I will be more excited when I have more energy again, because I'm like passing out.
All right, let's go to bed.